application for ARMs are double what they were in previous years. Mortgage Banker Association says that lower rates drive home sales. We know this to be true. And ARMs and 30-year fixed rates are a little bit lower. ARMs can lower 1%, 2%, 3% for anywhere from 3 to 5 years on your loan. Team Broadway puts a spotlight on you and your home.
Wow.